In the multi-service switch command syntax, which symbol represents the wildcard? Option A. Asterisk. Option B. Exclamation mark. Option C. Number. Option D. Tilde. The correct answer is option A. The multi-service switch command syntax is defined by the acronym VoIP. What is the meaning of this acronym? Option A. Verb option component attribute. Option B. Verb option command assistance. Option C. Valid operational command access. Option D. Valid operator component assignment. The correct answer is option A. Which processor control system component is associated to a processor card and provides the sparing capabilities for that card? Option A. Shelf card, SHCA. Option B. Logical processor, LP. Option C. Network synchronization, NS. Option D. Software logical processor type, SWLPT. The correct answer is option B. Which command verb is used to display information about the component name, instantiation, subcomponents, operational attributes, and provisionable attributes of a component? Option A. Me. Option B. List. Option C. Help. Option D. Display. The correct answer is option C.